The word hydroponics come from the Greek words hydro meaning water and ponos meaning labor, and is a method of growing plants in water without soil. The science of hydroponic gardening is not a new invention, it is very old. Hydroponics actually has its roots in ancient civilizations. There is even research to suggest that the hanging gardens in ancient Babylon used hydroponic technology. Fast forward to today, where hydroponic technology has advanced to the point of being almost totally automated. With the advent of computer automation technology, water pumps, and new growing mediums, normal people can grow hydroponic vegetables in their backyards, or commercial farmers can grow thousands of plants with almost the same methods. One crop that has benefited from hydroponic technology is the strawberry, and for a couple of reasons. This is good news for all those people who like to eat strawberries. Using a conventional soil-based method to grow strawberries on a large scale forces farmers to use a harmful pesticide called methyl bromide. Since a hydroponic system does not contain any soil, there are no soil-borne diseases or pests, which eliminates the need to sue toxic herbicides, pesticides, or insecticides which damage the environment, making this method more eco-friendly. For this reason, farmers throughout the world are moving into hydroponic gardening in a big way, which is good news for the environment. Some other reason that more farmers than ever are growing hydroponic strawberries. 1. The hydroponic system can be set up to elevate the strawberry plants so that the fruit hangs down for easy picking. The strawberry being elevated eliminates the problem of the fruit rotting because it is sitting in the soil. 2. The systems can also be designed vertically to increase the amount of strawberry plants for the space, which is great for urban areas where space is very limited. 3. Since there is not a need to use harsh toxic chemicals in the production, the strawberries end up tasting better and are not harmful to the environment they were grown in or to the person that is eating them. 4. There is a higher yield when growing strawberries hydroponically, even without the use of pesticides. 5. When grown in greenhouses or indoors using artificial light, farmers are able to grow strawberries all year, which allows them to make money even during the winter. For all the reasons listed above, more people, whether they are commercial or hobby farmers, are discovering the joys of hydroponic gardening.